Good people, welcome back again. My name is Moeng. We are diving deeper into the Cashflow Quadrant. So remember, I want to make it clear that for you if you are finding this episode in the middle of nowhere, it will be very advisable for you to start over from the last episode, which we covered the ways to riches and the mystery and the history of wealth, which is very much beneficial for each and every individual that is living today. Remember, now we're diving into AI. Remember, the AI now is booming. I'll also touch on the AI and the advantages that you can touch on AI. So yeah, I'll also give you platform that you can use so that you can master AI as well. So yeah, moving forward, good people, I just want to touch on the cash flow. Remember, I said on the last episode that I will be touching on the cash flow quadrant. The cash flow quadrant, remember, we have four quadrants. The first quadrant is E, meaning it stands for employment, meaning that you are an employee. It's someone who has have a degree. It's someone who is a lawyer. It's someone who is a doctor, for example. Someone who is working, who is selling their time for money, for something, for survival. And remember, these people are the people who pay the highest tax. In any government. You can check in America, you can check in China, you can check anywhere around the world. You can check in South Africa, you can check in Gaborone, you can check other these countries, that these employees are the most people who pay the highest tax. And moving to quadrant number 2, which is the S. S is for self-employed. Is those people who have now the provision. Some are doctors, dentists, for example. We have dentists who have done a provision, a profession that require them to own their business. These are the people who doesn't want to be judged. They want to do things according to their own. These are the people who can never own a franchise. Remember, a franchise is something that is a system that has been tested, such as McDonald, such as pizza, whatsoever. The franchise that might be around your local area. So yeah, good people, self-employed people are the people who have a profession. Many of them, they have studied, but yeah, you cannot survive in that quadrant. And if you are on that quadrant, I will be offering a course that will be teaching you to go and move in the better quadrant. And then moving forward, we have the B. The B, which stands for business owners. This is the interesting one because these are the people who pay the less tax. These are the people who buy a franchise. I remember growing up, many people in the area, they were buying franchise. Many rich people, they were buying franchise. But today it's another story. They are moving forward. So yeah, good people. Business owners are people who own businesses. They are people who buy franchises that are already tested. Remember, a system that is working is a system that has been tested multiple times. For example, you can check off McDonald, you can check off KFC. Those are tested systems. And someone who is self-employed, their mentality capacity cannot survive there in that profession because what they do, they are focusing on their skills, So yeah, they don't want to be told when they are wrong. So yeah, moving to the last quadrant, which is the I, standing for investors. Investors. Many people, when they hear these words, they also want to start investing, which there are many things that you need to understand. There are courses that you need to learn about investing. You cannot just start investing at any time. There are now platforms such as Easy Equity that allows people to invest as little as R1. You cannot make wealth from that R1. So there has to be a way of you understanding how you can invest money. You cannot invest R1 and expect to make a lot of money. Yeah, but yeah, later on, moving forward, remember this is an episode that is moving forward. Good people, we are not stopping here. We are not starting. I will be giving you platforms. I will be giving you. You must stay away from banks. I will be also telling you how banks eat your money. How we have things such as the 2 days platform now they are offering, especially people like Nedbank in South Africa. People like Nedbank, they are offering these things. So yeah, good people, don't worry. They are giving you 5% every year. So those are the things that I want you to stay away from. Those are the things that they are preventing you from making money. They are preventing you from being wealthy. So good people, I will close it here for now on the Cashflow Quadrant. And then yeah, let's move forward. Thank you.